The stadium may look similar from a distance, but a closer look tells a very different story. New structural elements are being installed. The compression ring is growing piece by piece. Work inside the VIP ring is advancing, and the third tier is becoming more complete with every passing day. However, not every section is moving at the same pace, and some surprising developments have caught everyone's attention. Let's dive into the latest construction update and see exactly where the biggest progress is happening. Progress on the compression ring remains one of the most important developments across the stadium. New structural components continue arriving on site, while crews assemble additional support systems and temporary structures required for future lifts. A new compression ring segment was successfully positioned in the north goal area, adding another piece to the stadium's future roof support system. The installation sequence is advancing consistently, allowing the stadium's upper structural framework to become increasingly complete. As additional sections are assembled and secured, the compression ring is steadily taking shape around the stadium perimeter. Work inside the VIP ring continues to advance across both the upper and lower levels of the structure. Crews remain focused on interior development, enclosure systems, and structural finishing works. Additional sandwich panels are being installed to close off more sections, while workers continue fitting utility infrastructure and internal partitions. Elevated work platforms are still active throughout the area, indicating that multiple phases are progressing simultaneously. Although much of the work is now happening inside the structure, visible progress suggests the VIP ring is steadily moving closer to a fully enclosed and operational state. The South Goal ceramic lamella sector showed very limited visible progress during this observation period. No new lamellas were installed on the facade or the false ceiling sections, leaving the area largely unchanged from previous days. However, supporting structures, anchors, and installation points remain in place, and nearby core structures continue to see activity. While the installation team appears to have temporarily shifted focus elsewhere, the sector remains prepared for the next phase of facade installation once work resumes. Construction of the third tier continues to move forward section by section. More precast seating elements and stair components have been installed, making the upper bowl appear increasingly complete. Workers were also seen organizing and positioning additional stair units that will improve access throughout the tier. Large stockpiles of seating materials remain available nearby, ensuring work can continue without interruption. The central sections now look more organized than in previous observations, with several rows becoming clearly defined. Work around the mobility cores is approaching another important milestone. Nearly all facade anchor points have now been installed, leaving only a small number of connections still pending. With most of the anchoring system already in place, crews are moving closer to the next phase of alignment and facade installation. Progress in this area continues to support the connection between the south goal and adjacent corner sections, helping create a more continuous exterior structure around the stadium. Construction activity remains intense across the lateral stand. Multiple crews continue working on structural elements, support systems, and finishing operations throughout the sector. Elevated platforms are active across several levels, with workers carrying out installation and adjustment tasks on different parts of the structure. The stand continues to gain definition as more structural details are completed, while ongoing work throughout the area reflects steady advancement toward the next construction stages. The most advanced diamond structure continues making excellent progress. Reinforcement installation across the upper sections is now nearing completion, with steel assemblies covering most of the remaining areas. Only a limited number of sections still require additional reinforcement before the structure is fully prepared for the next phase. The pace of work suggests that major progress will continue over the coming days as crews focus on completing the final structural preparations. A major milestone has been reached with the installation of the first slab panels on top of the supporting framework. These newly installed floor panels clearly demonstrate how quickly this section is advancing beyond the reinforcement stage. With the supporting structure already prepared, additional slab elements are expected to be installed progressively, allowing the diamond structure to move closer to its final form. The north goal sector has also recorded visible progress in facade installation. Several new lamellas have now been installed across the corner section, significantly expanding exterior coverage compared to previous updates. The newly completed sections further reduce the amount of exposed steelwork and continue transforming the appearance of this side of the stadium. Installation work is steadily moving forward as crews close remaining gaps throughout the facade system. The first facade level continues to require the greatest amount of work due to the combination of exterior lamellas and the false ceiling system located beneath it. Once installation progresses further into the upper levels, the pace is expected to increase considerably. The second and third tiers require a simpler installation process, allowing larger sections of the stadium envelope to be completed in a shorter period of time. As a result, facade coverage should accelerate noticeably in the coming months. The newly installed escalators are becoming increasingly visible within the stadium structure. Multiple units can now be clearly identified behind the exterior framework, highlighting continued progress in spectator circulation infrastructure. Protective coverings remain in place while installation and finishing work continue. These systems will play a vital role in improving accessibility and movement between the different levels of the stadium once construction is completed. The Tribune stand continues to see steady development across multiple construction fronts. Material deliveries remain ongoing, while crews continue working throughout the stand on structural assembly and installation activities. Several elevated platforms remain active inside the structure, supporting work on both internal and external components. Progress across this sector remains consistent, with more structural elements gradually being integrated into the overall framework of the stand. The corner section continues progressing steadily as work advances across multiple levels of the structure. Support systems for future facade installation are already visible throughout the area, while crews continue carrying out preparation and finishing activities. Structural elements across the lower and middle levels remain well advanced, helping the corner integrate more closely with the surrounding stands. Attention is also beginning to shift toward the upper portions of the structure. Activity around the third tier remains visible, with ongoing work helping prepare this level for future installations. Although major structural additions have yet to arrive in some areas, the overall corner sector continues moving forward and is gradually taking on a more complete appearance. Overall progress across the stadium remains highly positive. Facade installation continues advancing in both the south and north goal sectors, while mobility cores move closer to completion of their anchoring systems. With crews active across nearly every sector of the project, the stadium continues moving steadily toward its next major milestones and remains on a strong trajectory for the months ahead.